Whoa, I want to know where I can go when you're not around and I'm feeling down. So won't you stay for a moment so I can say I need you so, 'cause right now you know that nothing hears me, and I'm obsessed with you. Then I fell to the ground, and she smiled at me instead.
Hey guys, I'm back for another video, and as per usual, I don't know what I'm doing. So as you guys can tell, my setting has changed. I've moved back to my house for the summer. I'm only taking online summer classes, so I don't have to stay at my apartment on campus. So yeah, I remember last summer I stayed on campus and I just did my thing there. So I'm just going to clean my brows up with a little bit of Shape Tape, and then I'm going to just bring it down to also prime my eyelids. And I also have like some discoloration on the outer ends of my eye right here, so I'm just going to get rid of that, and then I'm just gonna buff it out with a Morphe Y6 brush that is actually broken. And I'm going to powder it down, set it with the translucent powder by Laura Mercier. So for today's look, I am doing a kind of sunflower eye-ish, if that makes sense. So it's going to be like a blown out yellow look with like brown on the lid area, lid space. So let's see if it works out. So I'm first taking this yellow shade from the Morphe 12P palette. Now I'm going to use the Morphe R40 brush. The label is almost scratched off. So next I need a brown color. I need like a true brown color. So I'm looking at the shade Rustic from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and that looks like a really nice, like a nice true brown. Like it's not too cool and it's not too warm. So I'm taking this, I think this is actually a lip brush, but I'm using that to pack on the brown color. And I'm also not going too far up with it because it is going to be smoked out. Now, using this sticker that I found lying around the house, I'm going to use that to carve out my wing. This wing will be like a kind of smoky wing. If you guys saw Kim Kardashian at the Met Gala 2018, she had like a reverse kind of smoky eye, so I want to incorporate that into this. Ooh, this better not come off. And for this, I'm using Noir eyeshadow from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. This is their black one. And I don't want to go too high past my crease because if I smoke it out, you guys can see it, then there's no point. And I would use a liquid liner for this part, but I also want it to be smoked out. And to me, it's kind of tricky if you try to smoke it out with a liquid liner as your base, because then it's too dark. And I don't want to worry, and I don't want to have to worry about if the liquid liner is matte or glossy, because if it's glossy, it just messes up the whole entire look. Okay, so that didn't work at all, so you know what, I'll just clean it up with some makeup remover later. Just want to smoke it out a little bit more up here. I don't want the black to be too intense, but I do want it smoked out. Alright, let's try to recreate it on this eye. Hope I don't mess up. I'm going to pack Rustic again. This time I'm taking the Morphe M321 brush because I feel like it's better to pack and to blend out. Last time I was just packing it on and it would not blend out. I'm hoping this one's better. I'm just going up how far my crease would be, if that makes sense. I'm not going anywhere past that because past that I'm just going to smoke it out and blend it. This is basically just a smoky eye with yellow eyeshadow, so it's really not anything that complicated in my opinion. So the key to this look is you pack on color, blend it out, pack it on, blend out. So since I just packed on the brown, I'm blending it out again with the yellow. And I'm not adding any more product. This is just the same yellow residue from earlier from this eye. And you want the darkest areas of your brown to be as closest to your lash line as possible. And now from here, I'm taking another clean brush. It's tiny. And I'm just using that to, it's clean, there's nothing on it, and I'm using that to blend the brown upwards. I look like I have jaundice. Sorry, was that offensive? I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day. I'm waiting for my aunt to get home. She gets home at 5. It's currently 3:20. I'm going to the gym with her. I've been going to the gym every day lately because I'm getting a post-summer body. I'm not getting that summer body, you know? When I'm getting the back-to-school body when you're like, I see you freaked out all summer. Yeah, I'm going back to jawline and absmin from 2015, 2016. Yeah, oh my god, that was me in my prime. Advice for anyone who lives on campus, especially in a apartment all by yourself with no one to like judge you. Don't order Uber Eats, just delete Uber Eats from your phone because you're just going to get tempted to buy food every single night like I did and eat at 2 or 3 at night. Because that's my prime time when I study, surprisingly, because I am nocturnal. You don't know how hard it took me. You don't know how much energy it took me today to get up and film during daytime. I'm using natural lighting because natural lighting is the best. And in my room, I have this giant ass window where I can just film from, so it's like ideal, but the key is to wake up early and film. Because this is when I wake up around 2 or 3. I've been awake since like, I want to say 11, but I didn't get to filming until like an hour or 2 ago. Now I'm just going to conceal. For foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Buff Bisque. Still one of my favorites even like a year or 2 after. They could use a little work on the applicator though, not going to lie. And I'm buffing it out with my Morphe Y6 brush. Okay, this isn't working. I can't see one thing. I would travel across the land, searching far. Oh my god, I look like a dyke. Far and wide. These Pokemon will understand the power that's inside. Does this match? So I'm going to go back into the eyes now. I'm going to highlight my inner corner with Glisten. Also from Anastasia. Glistening. The shade is glistening. A little bit on my brow bone. I'm using this because it has a little bit of like a yellow tint to it, so it matches with the whole sunflower theme I have going on. So before I move on, I'm going to set my under eye with the same Laura Mercier powder from earlier. So I'm first taking the yellow shade and I'm just going all over my lower lash line. I make the ugliest face when I do this. And you want this part to be very smoked out. Kind of like you're giving yourself yellow eye bags, almost, in a cute way, of course. Ooh, girl, my stomach is growling. Mama is hungry. Next, I'm taking a little bit of Cypress Umber and I'm running that on my lower lash line. Kind of stopping around here, not going all the way in. So I powdered my face down and I added mascara, roller lash, my favorite. So now I'm going to add lashes, which I cannot find. Found them! Okay, so these are Lily lashes in the style 3D Miami. Make Miami. Next, I'm going to contour my face with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in the shade Park F Princess. And I'm going to contour my nose a little bit with the Kevyn Aucoin, the sculpting powder in the shade Medium. For blush today, I'm using Too Faced Love Flush in Baby Love. A little bit on the nose. A little bit on the chin. A little bit up here. For highlight, I'm using this shade from the Sleek Makeup, what is this? This is the Solstice Highlighting Palette. This is a oldie but a goodie. Love it.
Okay? What do you mean, jazz? Things that when I listen to it, I don't like it.
Yeah, but it's such a blanket statement you don't like jazz. Hey, what are you doing right now?
Nothing.
This doesn't fit. Too corally. And I'm setting my face with the Marbadesque facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. Also, I couldn't decide on my lip color, so it's like a bunch of different things. First, I layered M Cosmetics Faded Clementine on the bottom, but then it was too orange, so I didn't like that. Then I layered on top NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade Baby Doll. After that, I layered on Kylie Cosmetics Literally Lip Gloss, one of my favorites. And then to give it some dimension, I put a little bit of NARS. This is their Velvet Lip Glide in the shade Bound. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias. I'm super active. My Instagram and Twitter is at VanillaTrapso, and my Snapchat is at Minby98. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!